Hello and welcome to Prudential Center. The Devils are taking on the Colorado Avalanche. Be sure will start off. Devils have won their last 4 straight. Be sure. The center penalty already against Colorado that will call it. Right? Within the first 37 seconds in, Gabriel Landeskog to the penalty box tripping. No, not tripping. My apologies. That was a slash. So Devils already on the power play. That's a really good start for them. Just maybe they can get on the board first. That's clear out by Cal McCarr. Devils will start back in their own end. Thomas Starr has it down low. Hands it off now, Hamilton. Hands it off to Heacher. He'll move through the neutral zone. Knocked off. Taken away by Jack Johnson. Now Cal McCarr. Moves through center and dumps it in and around the boards. Picked up by Hamilton. Has possession now. Jack Hughes out to Heacher. Skating through center over the line. Finds some room to the front. Couldn't get a shot. Took it on. Francois scoops it up and he holds on for the whistle. Shingovich off the draw against Comfort. Won by Colorado. Patrick Nemeth will clear it out into the Devils' zone. John Marino gets in the corner. Marino, he'll start the breakout for New Jersey. Here they go. Marino at the front with Palat, cutting around with a shot. He scored! Look out! The Devils are loose. Andre Palat, it's 1-0. He gets his second of the season. Wow. Palat, he just kind of outweighed the defenseman and then the goaltender. Right when they weren't expecting it, he kind of willing Dresser home, right past the defenseman, and beating Pavel Francois right just below the blocker. 1-0 Devils lead. In the first 90 seconds of this hockey game. They get back to it, Jack Johnson. And get on now, Kalen Carr moves through center over the line. Brandon Saad now to the front with a shot, save. Taken back by Ryan Murray. Murray in the corner gets it out. Intercepted Saad with a shot just wide of the net. Taken away Burakovsky. Has it down low. Ty Smith. Tyson Jost. Saad with a shot, save. Jesper Wright gets it out to center. Moves in over the line. Good one on the boards now. One-timer. It rolls in. Score! He's got another. Andre Palat. His second of the night. Already. His third on the season. It's 2-0. He just bombing home. Pavel Francois out of position. That's a crucial mistake by him. That will cost him a goal. He's like way to his left, allowing for that puck to bounce off him and trickle in. Gives Palat his second of the night within the first 5 minutes of this hockey game. Wow. An incredible start for New Jersey. Shingovich, he'll move over the line. Miles Wood gets it. Out the front, knocked away. Shingovich got a bag of shot there. Ooh, almost went in. And it's gone for the Avalanche. Trying to leave around, find some room. Rantanen. Landeskog out of the front. Landeskog, one-timer, but he missed the net. Taken away by Shingovich along the boards. Out to neutral ice. Cuts. Along the other boards. Back to the slot. Wood, shot, set of the pad. By Francois. Or Francois. Shingovich. The front shot. Oh, just off the post. Miles Wood has it. Another try, didn't go. Could not beat Francois. Colorado, Mikko Rantanen with it. Moves in over the line. Taken away by Dougie Hamilton. Back in the corner. Battling for it, Rantanen. Down low. At the front, shot in the backhand. Save Vanacek, and he holds on for the whistle. Andre Palat with not even half a period in, and he has 2 goals. 2 goals of the game. Both for New Jersey. face off a weak shot there by Calvert. Devils get it back, John Marino. Ringside to Miko Maltsev. Over the blue line into the offensive zone, taken away by Kale McCarr. Hands it off to his teammate. It's dumped in there. Calvert and Marino battling it. Marino in behind his own net. Gets out to Maltsev. Moves through center. Into the attacking zone, Maltsev. Cuts. Bash in the front and a save by Franz Slows. Gets back out Carlson for the Avalanche. It's knocked back in. Vontaze recovers. Now Pierre-Edouard Belmar over to Donskoy. Gonna get a shot top of the circle. Taken away by Tatar, but he's knocked off. Pierre-Edouard Belmar in the corner. Battling again with John Marino. Belmar keeps it. Now Donskoy. In the slot with a shot. 7th glove Vanacek. This is his second straight start for the Devils this season. 6 assists for Landeskog. They're on a winning streak, 4-2. It could be the Devils, but I don't think so. Maybe. Ryan Murray. New Jersey in their own zone, they'll break out. Star tried to move the middle, but he lost it. Took it away by Valeri Nichushkin. He'll move through center. JT Gopher. Gopher skating on in over the line. Moves in with a shot and a save. Rebound up high over the top of the net. Brings around now. Ryan Murray has it down low. Hands it off Ty Smith. He lost it, but he sure picked it back up and went off for Murray Stern. He lost it. Took it away by Ryan Graves. He'll drop it back. In behind the net now, Colorado. They'll start back up. Jack Johnson through center. Can get around the defenseman. Gets it back. Knocked away for a second time by Ryan Murray. Gets it down low in behind the net. On the other boards, up the middle, Jack Hughes. Cuts to the side to move into the neutral zone, but he lost it. Goes deep in the Colorado zone. They'll start back up. Through center, Burakovsky long for Brandon Saw, but it's poke checked away. Now they re-enter the offensive zone from center. Severson takes it back in behind the zone. Long lead to just for Rat. Rat with some room. Skating. Score! Jesper Bratt, 3-0 New Jersey. Oh, a bad line change by the Avalanche. That's where it starts, in the neutral zone. The Avalanche, they're on a bad line change. Half of them are changing. The other half are trying to defend. And then Bratt sees the open space. He takes advantage. Gets close to the front as he can. It's 3-0 Devils. Good job to make the kids who make the mistakes pay. They screwed up. He made them pay. 3-0 New Jersey. Final minute of the period. Steal by Maltsev. Hands it off now Kukunen. It's dumped in there, in around the boards. Going Byron for the Avalanche. Hands it off now with Burakovsky. To center. Taken away by Hamilton. And period number 1 is in the books. Probably the best start of the Devils so far. 3-0. Stick around. Period number 2 right after this. 3-0 New Jersey. You were listening to New Jersey Devils Hockey on Devils Radio Networks. Period number 3. Period number 2 right after this. Stick around. Nine shots for the Devils, 6 for the Avalanche. Both teams won 4 out of 8 faceoffs. Devils 1 for 1 on the power play, which they had at the beginning of the game. Alexander Plante, he has 2 of the 3 goals. Enjoy the second. I like how it's going. Let's hope the Devils can hang on. Welcome back to Prudential Center, nicknamed The Rock. Hischer and McKinnon for the faceoff. Won by David Severson has it. On for turn, Devils. They'll move in first for the first play. Meyer with a shot, I would say. In behind the goal line. Battle for it along the boards. Took away there by the Avalanche. Kyle McCarr has possession. McCarr. After Landeskog through center. Took away by Tatar. Now McKinnon. McCarr off the middle. Now Devontae's over the line. Landeskog is there as well. He lost it. Coming with Hischer in the corner. Landeskog keeps it. In behind the net. Back out to the point, Devontae. That shot blocked. Taken away by Tatar. He can't keep hold. Nico Ranton has it down in the corner. At the pass, and then they score! Colorado's on the board. Gabriel Landeskog. Colorado, some really good pressure on the outside. Then they force their way in the slot. Then the pass to Landeskog, the shot, and then gets the Avalanche on the board. Ty Smith for the Devils now. Andre Palat. Mr. Center away, took him away by McCaw. Oh, what a deke, McCaw. The pass, Jones. Oh, and a save by Vanacek. Nice move there by Kale McCaw. Really nice deke. If Gabriel Landeskog scores one more goal, he will have scored his 200th career NHL goal. He would be at 200. Just one more. Off the draw. Burakovsky. McKinnon with a shot. That one broken up by Palat. Has it down low in the corner, in behind the net. Took it away by Ryan Murray. Devils break out. From their own end. Can't get very far because Brent's all broken up. Took Ryan Graves in zone zone out to center. Tyson Jost right up the middle. Knocked back into the neutral zone. Colorado gets it back. Graves moves in along the boards. Battling for it. Kicks it to his teammate, but Hughes gets there first. And they'll go the other way. Andre Palat from Jack Hughes. Over the line. Now Brack. The shot. Save. Ryan Graves battling along the boards in the corner. In their own zone. Hughes to the front. Can get a shot on goal. Taken away by Donskoy. Minus Donskoy. They'll move through center. And Graves at the middle. Taken back by Donskoy over the line. Tyson Jost is offside. A shot. Some really good shots by New Jersey, but they're struggling with beating Francouz. He's making some good saves, and they're struggling getting around the Colorado defenses. They're figuring out New Jersey's scheme. Soderberg out to the front with a shot off the crossbar, and it stayed out. There you go. Bit of luck for New Jersey. Keeps the two-goal lead intact. Strankovic to the front with a shot off the post. Both teams hit the iron back to back. Colorado in their own zone would. Coincidence? I think not. Jack out of the front. Shot saved by Francouz, and he holds on. So the crossbar there for the Avalanche. Good for the Devils, keeps the two-goal lead intact, but bad for the Avalanche as they are still. It's not a one-goal game yet, which is what they're after right now. As we get back to it, through center, it's dumped in Colorado, and the Devils end picked up by Dougie Hamilton. Hamilton from New Jersey hands it off to Nathan Bastian, number 14 through center. He tips it off over the glass. And out of play for just a split second, so they will have to take another face-off. Off the draw, Damon Severson. He'll try to move it over the blue line. First time tried. Second time didn't either. It did not go through. Colorado, P-Rod with Brutmore. Over the line, he'll move in. Cuts in front, McKinnon with a shot, but he missed the end by an absolute mile. Another try in front. Two saves, Vanacek. Saved by Vanacek. He didn't make it two saves. My apologies. Devils go down the other way, took it away by Devontae. Spins it off, Valerie Nichushkin. Moving through center. To the outside, he's tripped up. We got a penalty for New Jersey. Damon Severson. The trip right there. So, Avalanche for the first power play of the night, Brandon Saad. Is it for Landeskog? Shot. Oh, he hit his own teammate. There's a shot by McKinnon and a save and a check. Holds on for the whistle. He's been really good for New Jersey. The tip and check has been really good. Coming up. He gave up 3 goals. He had a tough time in his debut, but he's fared much better here against the Avalanche. Taken away by Ryan Murray there. Vanacek will hold on for the whistle. Minute 43 on the Avs man advantage. Face off to the right of Vanacek, won by McKinnon. Now in Scott Bransell, the shot broken up by Siegenthaler. He'll clear right into the Avalanche bench. Face off in the neutral zone. Well, that shot had no chance of going through from the beginning. Before he took that shot, I could tell that wasn't going to go in. There was just too many bodies. I don't think it's really worth it at that point to take a shot. Because, it's not going to even hit the net, so might as well work up to a spot where you can. It's just a waste of your time. Avalanche move through center and over the line. McKinnon skating on through. Pass for Antonin. Deeks and a shot in front save. McKinnon the rebound. Can't be Vanacek, and he holds on for the whistle. So, Vanacek doing an incredible job keeping Rantanen from putting that puck in the back of the net. One by New Jersey. John Marino comes to scoop it up. He'll clear it all out to get the New Jersey penalty field rolling. Colorado. They'll start from their own end on the man advantage. Up to Burakovsky over the line. Knocked away there. Back out to center. Colorado restart. Jack Johnson. Long lead to Tyson Jost through center. Along the boards and over the line. Taken away by Dougie Hamilton. Who will clear. All the way down behind the net. Avalanche racing back, and they'll start back once again. It was a penalty kill by New Jersey. They're at the second half of the kill. Burakovsky over the line. Leaves it for Tyson Jost. Still moving. The shot one-timer. Save Vanacek. 4:02 remaining in the second. So, notice in Colorado, they're struggling to find the slot. New Jersey's doing a great job blocking that whole lane up. Burakovsky has it down low. Burakovsky back up high. Jack Johnson. Oh, fumbled it, but recovered. Oh, the pass didn't go. Severson takes it for New Jersey. Leaves it for Sharon Govich, but it's knocked away. Murray will recover. Ryan Murray. Well, down low. Murray. Knocked off by Devontae. They gain possession. Up from Donskoy. Bit of a tic-tac-toe play. Donskoy lost it. Got it back on his backhand. Just with a shot and a save. Vanacek once again. And very good for the Devils. Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. Wins it. Nemeth off now Rantanen. Back to even strength. Patrick Nemeth. They play hot potato with it. That shot there broken up. Dougie Hamilton got it. Has it down low. Trying to move through center. Dougie Hamilton. Off to Tar. Now Hischier. Right to the front. Oh, just wide. New Jersey. With pressure. Nico Hischier. He lost to Bowen Byram. Final seconds. One more chance. Nathan McKinnon. Save Vanacek, and that will do it for the second. "40 minutes in the books from here in the Rock and Prudential Center, New Jersey. And the Devils holding on to a 3-1 lead against the Avalanche. They get there first. I'm Thomas Rose. Stick around for the third period right after this. 3-1 Devils. So, 16 shots for the Colorado Avalanche, just 13 for the New Jersey Devils. 11 faceoffs won by Colorado, just 10 for New Jersey. And for the hits, 10 for the Avalanche, just 6 for the Devils. Devils 1 for the 1 on the power play, and after reading out all those stats, Colorado seems to be doing better. They have more shots, more hits, slightly better face-off percentage, but the only thing they do not have is a power play goal. That's all they don't have. And they're the ones who took the penalty, so. They're on for one themselves. So I think Colorado's a threat. I really think they are. Let's see how period number 3 goes. Can the Devils keep the streak going to 5-0? Let us see in the next 20 minutes. Welcome back to The Rock here in New Jersey. The Devils, Avalanche, period number 3. Here we go. The Devils will start off. Damon Severson hands it off to Meyer. Long lead to Tarnhill, moving over the line in the corner. Down low. Hands it off. T-shirt back to Tatar. Thomas Tatar. Hands it back up to Hamilton. Timo Meyer. T-shirt in the slot. Back into point Hamilton. Battle along the boards. Hamilton fighting for his life. Hands it off down low. But took away by McKinnon and Avalanche. Moves up the middle in the neutral zone. Can't get over the line. Hamilton takes it back. On for Nico Heischer now. Thomas Tatar. Heischer over the line. Now wait. Right to the front. Knocked off. Get the back Meyer. And the slot with a shot. Score! Off the iron! And it just went in. 4-1 New Jersey. A quick shot off the post. From the captain. From the captain to Meyer. Yep. Nice feed from the captain. Meyer, the shot off the post. Beats Francouz down low. Down low on the far side. Gives the Devils a 3-goal lead. New Jersey moves in under plot in front of the shot. It trickled in. It's a hat trick for Andre Palat. Back-to-back goals for the Devils, and here come the Hats. Here they come big time. He has had quite the night, although 2 of them were pretty much based off luck. And now it's a 5-1 Devils lead. Francouz is out. So his replacement is out there. As we get back to it, 5-1 New Jersey. Along with his 3rd of the night, 4th of the season. And something by Colorado picked up by Andre Palat, has it down low on Doug Hamilton. Jack Hughes goes down low for New Jersey. He'll gain some speed through center. In the neutral zone, Jack Hughes right over the blue line. Now Andre Palat hands it off just for Pratt. Right along the boards, keeps hold. Battling on the board. Score taken away by Burakovsky. Now Ryan Graves. Ran inside. They use it for Jack Johnson. The pass. Tyson Joseph on the boards. Can't keep it. Andre Palat again. Palat has possession. There's the pass to just for Brett. He'll move through center over the line. Just for Brett, knocked off. Gets it back in the corner. Defending up against the boards. Trying to fight for it now on Jack Hughes. Has the top of the circle. Knocked away by Jack Johnson. Handed off to Andre Burakovsky. He'll move through center and over the line. Deeks to the front with a shot. Short side. Save there by Vanchek. Back to the point. Ryan Graves on Neville and Byron. That shot knocked off. Ty Smith. Trinkovich and Devils will break out. Wood to the front. D. King took it away by Ryan Graves. Graves moved back out to center for the Avalanche. Skating on through over the line. Ryan Graves, top of the circle, that shot. Vanchek makes the save, and he will hold on for the whistle. Devils Flyers and Devils Predators. Next 2. Actually go to Philadelphia, head a bit west, take on the Flyers, and they're coming right back here to play Nashville. New Jersey, over the blue line, they'll move in to the outside. On the boards. The Flyers match will be on Thursday, then on Sunday, they're going to play, actually Saturday, they're going to play the Preds. That shot tipped! Save there, Georgiev, and he holds on. Colorado They look like they look really dangerous at one point, but they have just fallen off. Off the draw, Rantanen down low. Nico Rantanen. Out to center, lost it, took it away by Nathan McKinnon. McKinnon with Rantanen out the front, broken up. McKinnon couldn't get the shot as Marino was there to break things up. Nico Hischier moves through center as he gets the back for the Devils on now Timo Meier. Knocked away there, Patrick Nemeth, pass over to Landeskog before he got hit. Rantanen over the blue line, he'll move in. Downside the pass, couldn't center it. Devils get it back, Timo Meier in the neutral zone. Back in the Colorado territory now. Gabriel Landeskog hands it off to Nico Rantanen. He'll move over the line and wait. Rantanen. Now in the corner. Picking up against the boards there. Tatar is there as well. Tatar and Seguin are fighting for it. They work to get it, and they do. Through center, Timo Meier with some deets. Holding on to it for a moment, but Avalanche get it back. Cameron McCarr will go the other way for Colorado. Skating on through over the line. Long lead. Belmar a shot and a save. Belmar in the corner. Less than 3 to go in the period in this hockey game. Dumped in by New Jersey into the Colorado end. They'll start from their own zone. New Jersey is merely just killing off time at this point. Avalanche battle up against the Lords. Kukunin over the line with some space. Once of the shot. Kukunin on the backhand took away behind Nichushkin. Less than a minute to go. Nichushkin past Belmar. The shot broken up. Taken back by Damon Severson. Knocked off. Vitek Vanacek. Battling for, Vanacek will hold on. Now, 45.9 seconds remain here in regulation in this game. He shoots off the draw, shot immediately, and a save. Vanacek. He's been for the most part, lights out tonight. Just the one goal from earlier. I think it was in the second period that he gave up that only goal. Landeskog with the goal, not the puck. Now Hamilton. Final 20 seconds. Jankovic over the line with Wood. Knocked by Nichushkin. So New Jersey will get their 5th straight win. On the blue line with a shot there, taken away by Wood after Vanacek made the save. Final seconds. So they just said Devils will get their 5th straight win in a row for a 5-0 record in the first 5 games. That is the final one to end this one. New Jersey with a 5-1 win over the Avalanche here at home before they head on the road to take on the Philadelphia Flyers in the city of brotherly love on Thursday. I will be there. I will call the game. See you in Philly. Good night. Have a good one. Devils win. 5-1 over the Avalanche here at home. Good night. See you next time.